Introducing WARSUN T9 PRO flashlight crafted with precision. With focused beam up to 1500 lumens that can focus long distances in the dark. A side light work light, strobe light, UV light, magnetic base, emergency hazard lights, and 365 nanometer laser pointer. Here's the unboxing. You get your instruction manual, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, and the T9 PRO 3.0 portable flashlight. Lightweight at only 2.85 ounces, with 4 light sources and 10 lighting modes, with 6 to 12 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Check the link in the description where you can get yours today with a limited time discount. It has a durable unibody aluminum construction and water resistance suitable for indoor and outdoor use. 3 independent buttons for UV and laser, front beam and side light. Compact light for work, camping, hiking, car repair, and more. Its magnetic base allows for hands-free work and a light source. You can arrange it in any direction wherever there is metal to attach it to. It's very useful when you don't have an extra hand, or simply clip it onto your cap to function as a helmet light. It's not bulky, so you can slip it inside your pocket and carry it around with you with convenience and comfort. Look at how far the focus beam can reach, illuminating the top of this tree with precision. That's really impressive. The beam, as well as the side light, has 3 levels of brightness: low, medium, and high. The side light can also function as emergency or hazard lights, and you can magnetically attach it to your car's body. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight, portable, and durable flashlight, then take a look at WARSUN T9 PRO 3.0. Check the link in the description where you can get yours today and for a limited time at a discounted price. It comes with powerful focus beam, UV light, strobe light, side working light, emergency hazard lights, and a magnetic base, which makes it a great work or camping light too. It's incredibly versatile with its clip-on, water resistance, and durable build to take with you anywhere outdoors or indoors. Please like and share and subscribe to support my channel to make more content like this, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.